The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 10:30 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated slow-moving, heavy thunderstorms which have produced 1 inch of rain across a narrow corridor from near Sublet to near Mendota to near Norway. These thunderstorms will likely produce rain rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ottawa, Peru, LaSalle, Sandwich, Mendota, Marseilles, Amboy, Sheridan, Shabona, Lake Holiday, Oglesby, Seneca, Silmanock, Earlville, Waterman, North Utica, Serena, Leland, Paw Paw, and Grand Ridge. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. A severe thunderstorm warning.